That's training when his emperor watches him ride past in faultless formation. Out go the fishermen who supply the wedding feasts of Japan with an indispensable wedding fish. A dish of this is essential at all the best Japanese marriages. The eating is a ceremony and flying flags show that the fishing expedition is a solemn occasion. Probably the Thai think so too. The nets bring in the most important course of the marriage breakfast. The Thai is a good-looking fish as fishes go. The Englishman may be put off with a kipper, but the Japanese are fastidious and must have their Thai.
Prince Konoye, Prime Minister of Japan, enjoys the relaxation of a quiet